I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking a SAS chapter 1 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your weekly assignments and hire me for your complete course deal. I will provide you A+ grade and very reasonable price. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is start SAS. Okay, start SAS. Open the file A0H, A01. You can see here, open the file A01H1 DVDS file. Now we will open this file. Browse, click on browse, and then we will select this file A01H DVDS file. Click on open, and then this file will be selected. Now save a copy of database with the file name A01H DVDS student name in the document folder. First we enable content, and first we will save as this. Click on save as, and then we will save as this file. Simply click on save as, and then we will save as this file name as A01H DVDS dash student name in the documents folder. A01H DVDS dash student name in the document folder. Student name in the document folder. DVDS A01 DVD A01H1 DVDS okay, DVDS file. Click on save, and then now review the security warning and then enable the content. Now we will enable the content first. You can see on my PC screen. Click on enable the content. From the navigation pane, open the general codes table. From the navigation pane, open the general code table. Double click on general code table, and then switch the view of the general code table from data sheet view to design view. Now we will switch this view, data sheet view, to design view of general code table. Okay, we will change the view of this table to data sheet view. Right click on this and then click on data sheet view. Collapse the queries group so that the queries object no longer display. In this question we will collapse the queries group so that the queries object no longer display. Here is collapse the queries group. Open the relationship window. Now we will open this relationship window. Go to the relationship window. Relationship window will be open. Now create a relationship report and save the report using the name suggested in the save as dialog box. Now we will create a relationship report and then save the report using the name suggested in the dialog box. Click on create relationship report and then create a relationship report. Click on relationship for A01 and then save as. Click on OK. Question is completed now. Next question is that open the DVDS. So you open the DVD title table in datasheet view. Double click on DVD title table, then DVD title table will be open, and then we will open in datasheet view. Open the DVD title table in datasheet view. Simply click on DVD title table and then In the 12th record, change the genre from HOR to DRA. Press tab and then undo the change. Basically in this question, we will go to the 12th record and then we will change the genre from HOR to DRA. We will go to the 12th record, okay, and then we will click on genre column and then click on DRA. We will remove this DRA. We will remove HOR. Okay, here is HOR, and then we will remove HOR, and then we will type here DRA. Here you can see we will go to the 12 record and then we will remove HOR, and then we will type DRA here. Simply tap DRA here and then press tab, then undo. Change the genre to DRA again and then press tab. We will change the genre to DRA again and then we will press tab. Okay, click on 12 record and then we will remove this and then we will change this DRA again and then press tab, then close the DVD titles table. Right click on this and then simply close this table. Close the genre codes table. Now we will close this genre code table. Right click on this genre code table and then simply close this table. This table will be closed. Question is done now. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. Now open the open the DVD titles form in form view. Now we will open the DVD title form view. Here is DVD title form in form view. You can see here, go to the forms and then click on DVD title form and then we will open this in the form view. Use the next record button to display the fourth record and then use the previous record button to display the third record. You can see this question. In this question given is that use the next record button. We will use next record button to display the fourth record and then we will use the previous record button to display the third record. Okay, first we will use next record button for the fourth record and then we will use the previous record button for the third record. Okay, here is next record button for fourth record. Okay, here is next record button. Okay, here is fourth record. You can see DVD ID is 4. Now we will use the previous record button for the third record. You can see DVD ID is 3rd on the DVD titles. In the DVD title form, search the DVD titles field containing the word park in any part of field and then close the find dialog box. In the DVD titles form, search the DVD title field containing the word park in any part of the field and then close the find dialog box. You can see here in the DVD title form, in the search box we will search park word. We will type here park in the search box, PARK. Okay, create a new blank record in the form. We will create a new blank record in the form. Okay, in the DVD ID field enter 22. Okay, in the DVD title field enter Ghostbusters and then press tab. You can see here, first we will click on DVD ID field box and then we will enter 22. Okay, and then we will click on the DVD title field. Here is DVD title field. First we will enter 22 in the DVD ID field, then we will enter Ghostbusters in the DVD title field. Okay, this is done and then press tab. Simply press tab. You can copy and paste here or you can type here. Question is completed now. Open the DVD titles table in datasheet view. Okay, we will open the DVD title table in datasheet view. Double click on DVD title table and then we will open this table in datasheet view. Now select the DVD ID 22 from DVD table titles table. Okay, first we will select DVD edit 22 from DVD titles table, begin to delete the record. When the Microsoft Access message display, click no to indicate that you do not want to delete the record at this time. Okay, select the DVD edit 22. First we will select this edit, DVD edit 22 titles table. Okay, scroll down and then select DVD edit 22. Now right click on this and then begin to delete the record. When the Microsoft Access message display, click no to indicate that you do not want to delete the record at the time. Now we will delete this. Right click on this and then simply delete this and click on no. Close the DVD titles table. Right click on this and then simply close this table. Question is completed now. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses. Please contact me for your any course. Thanks. Now next question is that backup the database using the default file name. Backup the database using the default file name. You can see on my PC screen, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Backup the database using the default file name. Click on files and then you can see, first we will click on file, click on save as, and then we will select backup database. Okay, backup database using the default file name. We will select this and then click on save as, and then we will select this file A01 at DVD as student name, and then we will click on save. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 6 questions of this exam right now. In the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the general field ACT. Use filter by selection to find all records that have a general field equal to ACT. In the fourth record of DVD titles table, select the general field ACT. Use filter by selection to find all records that have a general field equal to ACT. Simply go to the fourth record of the DVD title table and then select ACT. Then use filter by selection to find all record. Go to the sort and filter group. Click on selection tab. Okay, click on selection and then click on advanced. Okay, now toggle the filter off. Then simply click on toggle the filter off. Here you can see question is completed now. In the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre ACT and use filter by selection to filter the data for record that do not contain the selected genre. You can read this question and then I will apply on my this exam workbook. Okay, click on fourth record in the genre ACT and then use filter by selection. Click on advanced and then click on advanced and then click on selection and then contain ACT. You can see here in the given in the question, do not contain ACT, does not equal to ACT, does not contain ACT. Okay, does not contain ACT, do not contain ACT. Here is do not contain ACT. Question is completed now. In the DVD titles table, enable the filter by form feature. In the DVD titles table, enable the filter by form feature. Click on advanced in the sort and filter, then click on filter by form. Okay, first we will go to the sort and filter group, click on the advanced tab, and then click on filter by form. Select Steven Spielberg from the director list and then press tab. Select Steven Spielberg from the director list and then press tab. You can see here, select Steven Spielberg from the director list and then press tab. Okay, click on DVD ID and then right click on this, go to the director tab column, right click on this, and then we will select Steven Spielberg. Here is Steven Spielberg. Okay, you can see here Steven Spielberg. Select this. Now add the criteria that will find records for which the release years is before 1990. Press enter and then click toggle filter. Okay, add the criteria that will find records for which the release years is before 1990. Press enter and then click toggle filter. Click on release year, right click on this and then less than 1990. Okay, this is good now. Then press enter. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 10 questions. Now I am doing question number 11. Select the DVD titles table is ascending order by the DVD title field. Okay, sort the DVD title table. Basically in this question we will sort the table. DVD title table is ascending order by the DVD title field. We will sort the table is ascending order. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for any assignment help, any exam help, and deal for complete course. I will provide you very reasonable price and A+ grade. You can see here sort the DVD titles table is ascending order by the DVD title field. DVD titles. You can read this question first and then you can see on my PC screen. I will apply on my PC screen. Click on DVD title, right click on select this column DVD titles table and then sort the DVD title table is ascending order by DVD title field. We will select this field and then we will apply ascending order. You can see here in the sort and filter group, click on ascending. Now sort the table is ascending order by the release year field and note that the titles are alphabetically sorted by year. Select this release year and then ascending order. Go to the sort and filter, click on ascending order and then the title are alphabetically. Question is completed now. You can see here I have done 11 questions out of 13 questions. Okay, you can see. Please follow my video and you will done your exam by watching this video. If you need help your remaining question, and if you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all assignments, all courses. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck.